Here is how to change who can see your profile info on Facebook. So first of all, open main menu, tap on menu at the bottom right corner of the screen if you use iPhone iOS devices, or at the top right corner of the screen if you use Android devices, tap on three liners. So basically proceed to menu. Next step, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. If you use not see the gear icon, you just scroll all the way down until you find settings and privacy, then tap on it. Next, tap on settings and tap on default audience settings. Then tap on custom your current settings and tap on next. And you will see option public profile info. Tap on it. By default selected public, of course. You can select friends of friends. This means your friends can see your profile info and friends. So next to any of these options, select one, then tap on save, tap on done at the top right corner of the screen and tap on done over here. Then go back and use your Facebook app.